Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. It continues to be the same structure that we discussed yesterday. We had a wave 1 to the upside of the 10th of March lows, in a 5-wave impulse. Then we came down in an A wave and we rallied in a B wave, so a 3-wave move. Showed you yesterday that this is becoming quite likely given how low we've now come in this retracement. The retracement so far still looks corrective, so I'm happy with that structure at the moment. I did also tell you why I'm now preferring the overshooting B wave idea. And that is because the B wave retraced perfectly to an overshooting B wave target. So we talk here about the 1.38 Fibonacci retracement. That is at 38.8 cents, and that is just an ideal target for a B wave. We talk about an overshooting B wave, especially if the A wave was a 3-wave move, which it clearly was. Then a B wave can overshoot, ideally not more than 1.38, the same length of wave A, right? So, and it hasn't done that, so it hasn't exceeded that sort of, let's call it, maximum target for an overshooting B wave. I sometimes say I do see B waves that go beyond that, but it's sort of rare. I've seen B waves that have gone to the 1.618 or even 200%, but that is sort of the maximum. But this isn't the ideal target, and since then we've come down, and I can count a wave 1 down, I can count a wave 2 up, I can count a wave 3 down, and we're basically in a similar situation as we are for Ethereum and Bitcoin. Ideally one more low, and ideally it's touching sort of the 33.3 cent level. At least that would be the 50% retracement of the wave 1, and then we talk about an ideal target for a wave 2, right? So the yellow box indicates the ideal target for the wave 2 now. Ideally, we do not go below 31.3 cents, which is the 78.6 retrace of the wave 1. Until we break below that, my focus will remain on higher, because this structurally looks actually quite decent, I have to say, right? It's still quite far away from invalidation. I mean, invalidation will not occur until we break below 29.7 cents. But also, obviously, I call it sort of invalidation if we break below the 78.6 retrace, because normally most setups fail if we break below that level. But this is support, so we're heading into support. So far, we haven't seen any sign of a breakout, so I assume it's going to follow Bitcoin, Ethereum at the moment in declining further, possibly in that 5th wave of an ending diagonal. I mean, it could always be a leading diagonal, but then I'm struggling to make it work from a corrective point of view, because it has come down already so much. So what I mean is, yes, it could be that these 5 waves here are just a wave 1. We would then see a pullback in a wave 2, come down in a wave 3, move up in a wave 4, and come down in 5. But then we are risking invalidation, because the C wave will run out of space, because it will go below the beginning of the wave 1. So that's why I think it's either this, or it's not going to work out. And then we have to prepare for new bear market lows already below 31.2 cents or 31.3. New bear market lows will become quite likely, but so far ADA is holding quite well, and maybe we see one more low. So in this particular scenario, ideally wave 5 will be shorter than wave 3. And then we talk about, I mean, I can't really measure it because I don't have a confirmed top in place for 4, but it should stay above 30.3 cents. So that is anyway above a level. It should stay within the yellow box ideally, right? So that's sort of what I'm watching out for here for ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.